Ever wondered what keeps your data safe from the lurking cyber threats? It's a well-structured, layered approach to cybersecurity, known as defense in depth. First off, imagine your network as a medieval castle. Defense in depth is like having a moat, a drawbridge, a portcullis, and guards all working together to protect the castle from invaders. Starting with network security, it's the moat around your castle. Firewalls act as your first line of defense, filtering the traffic that crosses the network. Intrusion detection and prevention systems, or IDS, IPS, are like the watchtowers, spotting and dealing with potential threats. And secure network design? That's the strategic placement of the castle, its walls and towers. Next, we have perimeter security. This is the drawbridge and the portcullis. Access control lists, or ACLs, manage who gets to cross the bridge. Virtual private networks, or VPNs, provide a secret tunnel for trusted allies. And demilitarized zones, or DMZs, are like the marketplaces outside the castle where traders can do business without gaining access to the castle itself. Then comes authentication and authorization. This is where the castle guards check credentials and only allow access to those who have the right to enter certain areas. Multi-factor authentication, or MFA, is like asking for a password in a secret handshake. Role-based access control, or RBAC, ensures that the kitchen staff doesn't wander into the treasury, and privileged access management, or PAM, keeps an eye on the people with the keys to the kingdom. Endpoint security is like having personal bodyguards for the castle's inhabitants. Antivirus and anti-malware software guard against malicious intents. Host intrusion detection systems, or HIDs, keep a watchful eye on individual security. And security patch management is like the castle blacksmith, constantly repairing and improving the armor. Data security is the secret vaults and safes within the castle. Encryption is like a coded language only a few trusted allies understand. Data loss prevention, or DLP, is like a hawk-eyed treasurer, ensuring no unauthorized transfer of gold. And backup and recovery is your hidden stash of resources for a rainy day. Security awareness and training are the drills and practices that keep the castle's defenses sharp. Employee training is like teaching your guards how to spot a spy. Phishing simulations are mock battles to prepare for real ones. And security policies are the rules of the castle, clear and well established. And finally, physical security is the tangible, visible protections. Access controls are the castle gates, only opening for those who should enter. Surveillance is the roving eyes of the guards, keeping a record of all who come and go. And environmental controls are the castle's protections against fire or floods. Remember, defense in depth is like a well-defended castle. If one layer fails, others stand strong. It's adaptable, comprehensive, and resilient. So next time someone asks you about your castle's defenses, you can confidently say, "I've got it covered, layer by layer." If you found this enlightening, don't forget to subscribe to Demystify Tech for more tech wisdom. And remember, a well-defended castle is a happy castle. Until next time, keep those drawbridges up and firewalls strong.